Hi everyone, so at this point we've talked about a lot of stuff. If you're brand new to getting organized, you're probably thinking like, wow, there's so much stuff I need to do. And after looking at all the routine trackers and all the things that you need to do on a daily basis and weekly and monthly and so forth, you're probably like, you might be feeling overwhelmed. So the point of this video is to tell you or to explain how to build momentum and gradually get started and, gradually, do a few things and then, gradually build up until, you're doing like 10 things per day. So we're going to be talking about how to build momentum. So here's what you need to do. Start with the bare minimum. So once you've determined everything you need to do on a daily basis, and maybe you've come up with like 10 or 12 different things, it's going to be really hard to do like all 10 or all 12 of those things like immediately and just continue with the same consistent progress going forward. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be a big change, and you're kind of going to like shock your body because all of a sudden you're used to doing maybe like nothing or maybe just a few things, and all of a sudden you're doing 10 or 12 different things and it's taking you hours each day. It's a lot to start with. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to, for the first day, we're going to call this day 1. I want you to pick 2 of your daily tasks. So pick, let's say, task 1 plus task 2. Just pick any 2 daily tasks from your daily routine chart. Now, you can pick your easiest ones or pick the ones that take the least amount of time. Like, for example, making your bed. If you're not used to making your bed, make the bed. That takes like 3 minutes to do and you don't have to make it perfectly. Pick that one and then pick something else that is easy and it's not going to overwhelm you to get started. So maybe that's like clear your bathroom sink at night, another 5 to 10 minutes. Pick those 2 tasks and start with just those 2 tasks. Like tonight, take those 2 tasks and do them, and don't worry about everything else. Just do those 2 tasks and just gradually get started. So do 2 tasks for day 1, and then I want you to repeat that for day 2 and day 3. Just worry about task 1 and task 2 for 3 days. Now, make sure you do that consistently for the next 3 days. If on day 2 or on day 3 you only do 1 task, then go back and repeat from day 1 again. The goal is to get yourself consistently doing 2 tasks every single day for 3 days straight without falling off. Once you've accomplished that, then what you want to do is add 2 more tasks. So for day 4, day 5, and day 6, I want you to do task 1 plus task 2 plus task 3 plus task 4. Now, that might seem like a lot of tasks to do because now instead of doing 2, you're now doing 4. But again, add 2 more easy ones, add 2 more fast ones, and just gradually increase the amount of routine tasks you're doing on a daily basis. And you're going to follow the same 4 tasks for day 5 and day 6. And then I want you to, on day 7 is kind of, think of it as like your resting day or your break day, and only do 1 task. This is like, your fun day or whatever. Just only do 1 task. Maybe it's like make the bed, or maybe it's clean your dishes in the kitchen before bed or something. Just only do 1. And then I want you to just repeat this 7-day series. Try repeating it 3 times. If you repeat it 3 times, that's 21 days. And 21 days is the amount it usually takes to form a habit. So if you can repeat this 3 times and get yourself in the habit of doing, 2 tasks for 3 days, 4 tasks for 3 days, and then 1 task that last 7th day, you're gonna, gradually build momentum. And when you can master this, then you're ready to maybe consider adding 2 more tasks. So maybe then on day 1 through day 3, maybe you're doing task 1 plus task 2 plus task 5 plus task 6. Add 2 more. And then down here, you would maybe add 2 more. So you have to go at a pace that you're comfortable with. What happens when we add like too many tasks at once? We get excited, we get motivated, we get inspired, and so we start to do all these things at once, and it lasts for like a day, 2 days, maybe even a week, and then we slowly start to slip back to our old ways again. So you can avoid that by slowly building momentum and just gradually increasing and just building good habits as you go through. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.